Good evening, people of the internet. I hate sneezing. I seriously do. It hurts. I bite my tongue. I bite my cheek. I bite something. It doesn't feel good. Never has. I hate sneezing. For some reason, in the middle of winter, my allergies decided to become... I don't know. Goddamn allergies. I hate allergies. And I hate sneezing. Yeah. Winter months, my allergies are running rampant. Makes no sense. Gotta love it. I don't get how people can like sneezing. It jars my head. Sometimes I'll even get a headache after I sneeze. It sucks. I don't understand it. I mean, my mom loves to sneeze. Okay, well, my grandma hates it. My dad doesn't like it. Well, there's a couple people that agree with me. It's just... And they say that it's a 1/8 orgasm? God, I must hate orgasms then. If I hate to sneeze, I mean... Seriously.